Hello, today I'm going to be showing how to make a really cool paper flapping, an origami flapping swan, or Korean, I can't remember which one, look the same. Right, yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. You got to be standard 4-piece paper, and you fold the corner, down to make a triangle, as usual for the origami thing. So something like that. Yeah, so something like that. Then you want to get rid of all this excess bit there. We want to get rid of this. So you can either cut it, or you can do it the way which usually some people do. They either rub your finger across it really hard and then rip. Or what I do is I fold it on line. Oh, too far. There, so you have like that. I open up the triangle, so you have a square with this on the back, and you sort of wet the top. I know it looks a bit stupid, but it's well easier to rip than the stuff scrubbing hard on people with your nail. Look, it's ripping perfectly in line. Look at that for a crease, that's not bad. So the square looks perfect. Yeah, so what you do now is you go is there? Yeah, you go up, right. You fold where the crease is like that. You fold it so the crease goes forward, yeah, towards you. You fold it like that. So it should look like this with a triangle there, and if you turn around, still the same side. Open out, turn that way, and do the same again that way. So you should have what the hell is on TV? Get away. Thank you. Right, so now you should have a diagonal line going down, down there, and a horizontal line going there, and a vertical line going there. Yeah. So now you turn it like that, and you fold that down. So it should look like fold there, fold back. So it should look like that. So it goes like that, you fold down, fold backwards, and do the same for the other side. I know this is a bit tricky, but it is the right way. That's perfect. So you have something looking like that, with that inside it. Like that, yeah? So this is square. You go like, right there. What you want to do is fold the sides. So where you have the things facing you, like that, there should be a vertical line going all the way down. If it isn't, just fold one of them across like that, and do the same for the other side. So what you should do now is do that from the top, which doesn't open. The bottom open does, this one doesn't. So you do like that, and do the same for the other side. In fact, no, don't do that. Just do this side first. Wait there, let me think. Oh wait there, I did it well wrong, sorry about that. Right, what you do, you lift this up, like that, and the furthest it should go is push it, lift it up, and it should stop at a certain distance. So what you should do now is, once you have them like that, you lift it up, fold, and it should all fall together. It's called a petal fold. So you go like that. If you go on YouTube before you watch this one and type in how to do a petal fold, because I can't exactly explain it, it's quite hard, but the people on here can. So watch this first and then watch mine, and then I'll show you how to make a flapping swan. So anyway, you go like, it should look like, bloody hell, it's quite dodgy this is, it's quite hard surprisingly. Doesn't look hard at all, but trust me, it is. It's not working for me today, surprisingly. It really is not working. Ah, wait there. Right, do you know where you made that fold? You lift it up, and then you do a fold, do exactly the same but upside down. So it should look like that. Right? Yeah, so got that, and we folded that way as well. Do the same for the other side. So it should look like, so once you folded it down like that, you do it vice, oh my god, vice versa. So it looks quite dodgy, doesn't it? Like that. Right, now if you put them both the same direction, which is up, so the flat part is up, you fold this down over the top of it. Yeah, so you should have something looking like that, like a Superman badge, but with this triangle thing. Now, you lift it up, so you lift it up, so this thing was folded down, lift it up, maybe fold it backwards as well. So it should look at that, but it's on the other side. So what you should do now is lift it back up, open these out like that, and then lift up. So we got this, lift up the first layer and fold it up right so it stops on that line. And it should, or it will, fold down. Yes, you've done it eventually. Sorry about all the weight, but one side should look like, it should look like that, but fold it down like that now. Should look like that. Do the same for the other side. But the good thing is, we've still got that line there. So, you just, now, all you have to do is lift this one up now. You don't need to do anything. Oh, wait there. Oh, can't see this. There we go, because my stupid computer went dark. Got the center line. Fold it. So you should fold it into this. Oh, it's a bit dodgy now. That's better. So it should look like now, again, like Oh, right, so you should have like 2 legs, 2 things sticking down, and this triangle over here. Right, just to say, these are going to be the wings, and this is going to be the head or the tail, whatever, vice versa. So we do, you fold this side open, like that. She should have that looking thing. Fold one of the legs. Oh, wait there. Let me have a look. Oh, fold it down. Fold it down. Yeah, she folded down like that. Open one side up. So it's from that. Open one side up. And fold this up to that middle line. And do the same, so you should have something weird looking like that. Do the same to the other side. Lift up, fold back. Right, to be instance, your left is going to be the tail, your right is going to be the head. So what you do now is you lift these wings back up now. So it should look like that, and so it should look like a triangle with 2 things here. You pull, or if you want, you can keep like that. But I prefer to do it up, because then this is the technique. Keep folding this head down so it comes in line. See, if you move it, it changes, but there it changes. So you want to make it so this is in line with the changing part. So it should look like that, so it's in line. Yeah, and then do the same for the tail. So you just pull it out. Oh, pull it out. And it should look like that. There's the tail. There's the head. Yeah. Oh, well, my left is the tail, my right is the head. You pull the right with the head, you push it down and fold it. Well, what I do, right, is on the right, you go like that, open up, fold a tiny bit down into the centre and fold it back up so it should look like the headless thing. Then you should feel there's a little slit in there. That's going to be the head. Lift it up a tiny bit. Oh, mine's head's folding back in. And there's the head. Yeah, and there's the tail. You don't do anything about that. What you do now, you fold the wings, and you want it to do it from the bottom. So, you know this is the tail. You want it to do it from, so it should look like a triangle. So it still looks like a triangle. So it goes, I'll show you now. You want to fold it so the wing is in line. Oh, your wing is in line with that. So you go like this. As far down as you go without pulling off the other side. So see, if you look, the furthest I can go is stopping down there, innit? So that's the perfect. Now the same to the other side. Now, your thing should look like that. Like a laying, something sitting down like. What you do, open up the wings. What you do, you pull these 2 apart. So it makes little fold there. You do it, you grab the chest and pull the tail. And that is the flapping bird. Right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's been a bit long.